The indolence of the Filipinos. Dr. Sancianco, in his Progreso de Pilipinas, has taken up this question agitated, as he calls it, and relying upon facts and reports furnished by the very same Spanish authorities that rule the Philippines has demonstrated that such indolence does not exist, and that all said about it does not deserve reply or even passing notice. Dr. Sancianco said that Filipinos aren't lazy, despite some people saying they are. He used facts from Spanish authorities to show that these claims of laziness aren't true. So he believes Filipinos aren't lazy, and the evidence backs him up. Nevertheless, as discussion of it has been continued, not only by government employees who make it responsible for their shortcomings, not only by the priors who regard it as necessary so that they may continue to represent themselves as indispensable, but also by serious and disinterested persons, and as evidence of greater or less weight may be adduced in oppositions to that which Dr. Sancianco cites. In simpler terms, the author is saying, since people keep talking about this topic and there are different opinions, let's take a good, fair look at it. We need to be honest, even if it's hard, and approach this with an open mind without letting personal feelings get in the way. Our goal is to find the truth for the good of our country. The writer is saying that the word indolence is often used wrongly to mean laziness, and people make fun of it to hide this mistake. They compare this misuse to how in the past people blame everything on the devil when they couldn't understand it. Similarly, in the Philippines, people blame faults and misdeeds on indolence. The writer suggests that, like in the past, people are treated badly in the Philippines for trying to find different reasons for problems. So, they're saying that blaming laziness for everything is like blaming the devil. It's not fair or accurate, and it stops people from finding real solutions. People often misunderstand things and use them in the wrong way. Some treat these misunderstandings like absolute truths, while others dismiss them completely. But just because people are using something wrongly doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Misunderstandings happen because people don't think things through, are influenced by their beliefs, or lack enough information. Instead of blaming laziness for problems, we should focus on addressing the deeper issues causing the misunderstandings. The best lesson from this would be to approach issues with a critical mindset, avoiding simplistic explanations like blaming indolence or the devil for complex problems. Instead, it's essential to seek a deeper understanding, considering various factors that contribute to the issue at hand. By doing so, we can address root causes or effectively and work towards genuine solutions that promote progress and improvement. Appendices. When something is misused, some people treat it like an absolute truth, while others see it as nonsense and try to stop it. But just because it's misused doesn't mean it's not real. Sometimes when lots of people get things wrong, it can seem puzzling, but there are many reasons behind it. Some folks might not think carefully or may not know all the facts. Others might be influenced by their own feelings or beliefs. It's also common for people to think their ideas are right and others are wrong. But there are also those who genuinely want to find the truth, even if it means changing their minds. So, misunderstandings happen because of different reasons like not thinking things through, being influenced by personal views, or just not knowing enough. People make mistakes for different reasons like ignorance, biases, or laziness. While some seek truth, others act in bad faith or repeat hearsay without thinking. In our country, there's also indolence, but it's seen as a symptom rather than the cause of problems. Instead of blaming laziness, it's crucial to address deeper issues for the country's improvement. So rather than blaming laziness for the country's issues, it's important to understand it as a symptom of deeper issues and work towards solving those underlying problems. Seek truth with diligence, confront misuse with wisdom.